Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me. Happy Sunday. Hey, it's the end of the month. End of the month. End of the month. End of the month. You know what that means. 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 It's time for a get ready with me. It's time for a get ready with me with Shop My Sunday. Shop My Sunday. Products. Get ready with me. Get ready with me. Woo! Yes. If you don't know me, welcome. Thank you for clicking this video and welcome to my channel. And if you don't know when I upload or whatever, hit that notification bell and hit that notification bell and hit all so you could get notified every time I upload. Wow. Anyways, let's get into this. If you don't know, every single Sunday in the beginning of the month, I do a Shop My Stash Sunday, which tells you all the products that I'm going to be using throughout the month, plus give a little sneak peeks of stuff that I'm going to be reviewing on the channel. Anyways, I reviewed and tested a lot of products. These products that I'm using right now is some products that I didn't use that much this month. So because of that, I'm using it. Woo! So let's get into this look. I already did my brows, and I did my brows with the Marc Jacobs brow gel, and then I filled it in a little bit with a pencil because the pencil does not really match my brow color, but it's there. And I carved it out with some concealer from Brow Bar by Remea, the little brow powder palette that I have, and I love that so much. I even bought a second one, and I have significant pan in the powders, but it's taking forever to use up, and that gel is still going. It's still going. Anyways, let's just get up in the eye look. For the eyeshadow, we're going to be using Pretty Vulgar Nightingale. I had this palette for a minute. I think it's expired. It should be expired. I mean, this is the second one I bought, because the first one, I barely used it. I opened it, but this is the second one I bought. And they were cheap on Sephora, because I don't think that Pretty Vulgar is sold on Sephora anymore. So on or in, just on their website. So yeah, this is the palette. It's really pretty. It's gonna be like a smoky neutral. Wow, I've been doing that all month, smoky neutrals, and I thought I was gonna do a little bit of just glitter. I mean, it was some days that I did glitter, some days that I did some colorful looks, but have I done it on camera? No. So I'm taking a fluffy brush. This is a Moda crease brush, BMX 430 brush. That's what it says right here. I'm gonna go with hide and seek, and I'm put that on my brow bone. Oh, I just love that. I just love the way that Pretty Vulgar shadows just work. It's they're not a hyped up brand, but they're a good brand. Their setting powder is amazing. Have I tried and have I gotten a second one? No, because once they were out of Sephora and I can't get free shipping, and their website doesn't do free shipping. I mean, it does free shipping, but after a certain time, after a certain price. So I'm just and also I never actually ordered from Pretty Vulgar website, so I don't know, especially with the Kylie incident that went around. I don't know what is a real website, what is not a real website, because their real website, it looks so sus, and then it's a fake website out there that kind of looks like their website, but it also looks sus. So it's I don't know which one is which. I don't know which one is which. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Flip Out. That's the brown shade right here. and put that into the crease. Just, oh, you see how that's just, oh, I mean, yes, it's kind of the same color as my skin, but the difference and how I could just put it on and it's a bam, and that's it. Blends so good. I love this. I love their formula. Like, I just don't know why I don't use their palettes that much. And this is my color scheme, like smoky and neutral. I just don't know why I don't use their palettes. Like, they have so many other, I think like 2 or 3 other palettes. Do I use it? No, I'm going in a swoop at this darker brown shade. Buying that for the outer corner. It's like, do I really use it? No, I don't. I don't, and I should. And that's the thing. It's like, I should use it, but I don't use it. And I don't buy their stuff, but it's a brand that I really do like. But the reason why I don't buy their stuff is because they don't have a foundation for me, and the deepest concealer is my brightening shade. I have the concealer, and also the concealer is like natural, not full, so it's like I use that as like a foundation, and then I set it with my skin tone powder, but so I actually could match. But that's before I had tinted moisturizer. Now I just use it as a concealer, but with tinted moisturizer. Wow, just beautiful. Okay, what I did is I actually put Break Free on my brow bone to give a little shimmer to it. Now I always do Clutch for my lid shade. And then I always do I Spy, but then sometimes I do Clutch and I Spy. And then when I do the deeper colors, I do Silver Spoon. So I don't know what shimmer to use. I'm gonna just do my usual. I just like swatched it in like the weirdest place. I'm gonna take I Spy on that shade, that side, the outer corner to the middle of the lid. Oh, that's so beautiful. Should I just put it all over my lid? I'm thinking. Should I? Now I'm taking Clutch and I'm putting it on the inner corner. And what I like is that it doesn't have fallout if you tap it off, because it is a very, very, very powdery, like soft, metallic. Like, it's very soft, so it crumbles easily. So you just tap off the excess and then pat it on. I put Pillow Fight in the inner corner. It gives it like a nice, it's like a white, icy effect. Now I'm just going into Flip Out and Swoop, just going back and forth and putting that on the lower lash line. I would do liner and lashes, but I've been doing that a lot. And today I just don't want to. I just want to do mascara and that's it. Ooh, that's really pretty. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my Rodial XXL mascara. You guys know that's my favorite mascara. Like, it is that and the Too Faced Better Than X mascara. Yes. Ooh, what do you guys think? I like it. It's the same type of neutral look I always do. I become that person. Alright, my skin is primed, as you know. You see it blurred, you see it blurred, and you know what it is. It's the Versali Skin Tone Blur Primer. I love this primer. This is a Touch and Soul primer. Just, it blurs my skin so perfectly. So well. So well. Anyways, for foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm in the shade Walnut. I wanted to say walnut, but I was like, is it walnut? It's walnut. I really love this foundation. Like, I don't know why I didn't use it. I guess because I'm was testing out the Pure Moisturizer. I still haven't put that review on. And then I was testing out the e.l.f. Camo foundation, CC cream. And I still haven't put a review on that. So I've been testing it out, been feeling it, seeing if I like it. And I haven't used you. And if I use this, then I hadn't used this because I had two. And I used the Juvia's Place one when I wasn't reviewing the two, when I didn't get it. So I haven't been using this. Yeah. It's like neutral red. Totally neutral red. Wow, that's like totally different from my skin. Am I in the shade Walnut or am I in the shade Espresso? I mean, I have a backup to this. Like, this is a backup and then I have another one. When I like something, I buy multiple of it. I mean, I'm not the only one, right? Right. Okay, it is my skin color. It melted in my skin beautifully. Alright, I am the shade Walnut. I'm just like used to not being like not the last or second to last shade. This is I'm used to being an espresso. This is the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Espresso. I've been using my Smashbox one a lot this month. I had two options and I chose the Smashbox one more when I was wearing concealer because I don't wear concealer that much. And when I do wear concealer, it's like if I'm doing like a full weekday, and I mean I am doing a full weekday because I'm gonna contour today. I haven't contoured in a while. Alright, what do you guys think? I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, blend it out, and then we're gonna powder this face. For powder, I'm using my Smashbox powder. Hopefully this goes well, because every time I use it, it just sticks to the concealer like it is right now, or the foundation that I'm using. And I have to constantly blend it out. It looks better. Okay, my face is all powdered up. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Cucumber spray, like it's almost done. Yep, there's still some in there. Okay, to fix my face a little bit more because this powder has stuck in places that I put it. I always don't like to use that powder because the only way really how to use that powder is with a sponge. By the way, I'm using the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder. So, this is a face palette. Looks like this. Like that. It's the dark deep one. Looks like that. You can see I use it a lot. Ooh, that mirror is dirty. Let me just brush that off. Use that setting powder with this to fix the mistakes that I made. Oh yes. Yes. Brighten that under eye, please. Alright, I'm gonna use that contour shade. Just taking my Ulta brush and sculpting out the cheeks. I like to give my cheeks a little more lift than it usually has. This is actually a blush brush. I use it for contour and blush. Give it a lift. Okay, and now I'm gonna take that same brush and put the blush on. Ooh. I love to just bring it and connect it with the contour. Alright, I put the liquid lipstick in Tasty from Jeffree Star Cosmetics on my lips. I really wish that he actually made this in a full size, because that would be fire. I would actually buy this. I only buy lip products from him too. That's the funny thing. I'm taking the highlighter from the palette, and this is like really blinding, so I have to just, you see it already. Gotta, yep. Just go like that and just like build it up. Just for like a nice subtle sheen. You see how my whole face came together, but it was like a long time? That's exactly the reason why I haven't used that powder. I liked it, but you only could really use it with a sponge. I mean, as you can see, you could use it with a brush, but it takes a lot of spraying, a lot of time just for it to, you know, just sink in to the skin. Ooh, I like that. And I like the contour. It just lifts up my cheekbones. Just makes me be like, ooh, who that girl? And my jawline is like, whoa, yes, I see you. Now I'm gonna go over the lipstick with the YSL lipstick in Beige Pomegranate. Well, pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate. Anyways, I can't believe that the year is over. No, not the year, but the month is over. Like, January just got here. Like, 2021 just started. And we're already on to Black History Month. Black History Month. What? Black History Month and Love Month. It's like beautiful. What do you think? I like the combo. But yep, that's it. That's my neutral look for today. You like my little bun I did? I was like, you know what? Let me stop doing the same like up bun or the back bun, and let me do a side bun. So I did a side bun. What you guys think? What you guys think? Side bun poppin'? Side bun poppin'. Okay. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys chatted with me, because you know, this is a live premium. Not, I don't know how to call it, but you see that. Anyways, bye you guys. A video right here, head right here. Go check it out. Also go check the description box, because sometimes I list all the products, but I always list my social medias and everything else to get in contact with me. Also, if you want to support your girl, my Cashapp is down there. Also, my email is down there if you know you want some advice, because I do give out advice sometimes. Also, I'm a makeup artist, so if you want to get in contact with me, my email again is down there. If you live in the city, New York. Wow, why did I say that? If you live in New York, yeah. I mean, I do travel other places, but mostly New York. I mean, I did go to Connecticut once. In the pandemic wise, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I've traveled places, it's just pandemic wise. Yeah. Anyways, video. Had what you already know. Okay. Bye, you guys.